How to install Visual Studio Code in Ubuntu using command line. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu using the command line. Fast and easy, let's get started. First, you need to update your package list. Open your terminal and run this command, which is bash sudo apt update, and click enter. Now install the required dependencies for adding external repositories. Next step is to import Microsoft GPG key. Import the GPG key to verify the package. Now enable VS Code repository. This command adds the official VS Code repository to your system. Now you need to update again. Update the package list again to include the Visual Studio Code. Now finally install Visual Studio Code using the simple command. Now type code on terminal to launch VS Code. And you are ready to start coding, and that's it. This is how you can install Visual Studio Code in Ubuntu using command line. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.